Welcome to a world where your career in human resources takes flight. Today, we're exploring the Diploma of Human Resources Management, BSB50320 at 3CIR, a game changer in the HR industry. Imagine having the expertise to manage staff for performance development, perfect recruitment policies, and navigate organizational changes with ease. That's what this diploma offers. It's not just a course, it's a launchpad for your HR career across various industries. Let's dive into the core of this program. With 12 units, including 7 core and 5 elective units, you get a comprehensive learning experience. Elective units include topics like managing payroll, coordinating health and wellness programs, and ensuring a safe workplace. Don't just dream about a career in HR. Make it happen with the Diploma of Human Resources Management, BSB50320. Enroll today and take the first step towards a rewarding and diverse career. Visit 3CIR's website now and join the HR leaders of tomorrow.